Hey guys, welcome to Goodies with G. Today we'll be making no-bake cookies. Once you get all your ingredients combined, we're going to take a cookie scoop and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and we're going to just scoop them on. Now we're going to take a spoon and flatten them out. Let's pop them in the fridge for about an hour or until they get hard, and then we're ready to eat them. Now that they're hard, we can just pop them off the parchment paper and eat them. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy making these at home. See you next time. Bye!